In a town where speed was measured in dollars, young Alex dreamed of the track, but dreams felt distant when money was tight. Race after race, the gap widened, fueled by wealth, not skill. Searching for answers, he stumbled upon a forgotten corner of the automotive world.
Mr. Henderson?
Well, look what the junkyard cat dragged in. You here for a tune-up or a treasure hunt?
Here, among the relics of rubber and steel, he found a mentor and a friend who spoke his language.
See this carburetor? Needs some love, but like old Betty here, still got plenty of spark.
You always find the gems, Mr. H.
Mr. Henderson didn't see junk. He saw potential, waiting to be unlocked, and shared wisdom with a smile. Nights turned into early mornings, learning to build, to innovate. From discarded pieces, a champion was born. The challenge was set: money versus ingenuity. The roar of a custom engine drowned out the whispers of doubt. Speed found a new definition that day.
Told you she had spark, kid. Just needed the right mechanic. And maybe a little Betty Boop luck.
Couldn't have done it without you, Mr. H.
And the boy who had nothing gained everything.